Companies like Omax Corporation deliver high-performance equipment to their customers to stay ahead of the competition. Like Omax, every year Solidworks delivers new performance enhancements to you. With Solidworks 2020, drawings can now be opened in detailing mode, a high-performance way to open your drawings without the need to load the assemblies and components associated with it, letting you get to the job at hand faster than ever before. Drawings opened in detailing mode maintain all of the detail of the drawing, allowing you to edit and make changes in the same ways you're familiar with. You can add annotations to your drawings and make changes to existing ones. The Envelope Publisher in SOLIDWORKS 2020 makes it simple to select components from a top-level assembly and push their geometry into lower-level sub-assemblies as envelope components. Once published, you can close the top-level assembly and work within a much smaller subset of your design, making your tasks easier and more lightweight. This workflow also makes working in a multi-user environment much more efficient. Decimate Mesh allows you to quickly simplify large and complex mesh geometry, which makes these files smaller, faster to load, and easier to work with. You can now work with both draft and high-quality mesh geometry within the same simulation study. This enables you to focus on the areas of your simulation you're most concerned with without needing to sacrifice performance. To learn more about the improved performance in SOLIDWORKS 2020, explore the other videos on this website and be sure to attend a local SOLIDWORKS reseller launch event.